Morning. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are having great Monday. It's 24th, Christmas Eve. It's Monday. Alhamdulillah for today. Yeah. Where did we stop last? Oh yeah. We went to the children's home yesterday. So I got back home and I was super tired. I was really tired, and it was a Sunday, so yeah, a lot was happening as well. You know, family coming over and visits, and it was too much. So yeah, and we also got home pretty late. Yeah, so I didn't really get back to the vlog. Sorry. So my countdown has been up, number 1. Alhamdulillah, I'm super excited for it. Today's is also up. I've scheduled it. It's gonna go up at around 11 a.m. So yeah, farahkhaleck.com. If you haven't already, please go there. I have a whole countdown going on, and we're counting down to 2019 and just, you know, looking back to 2018 and giving thanks, being grateful, learning about ourselves, discovering ourselves, and myself actually, and just trying to see where I can grow more, where I have grown, and where I'm headed, you know. So yeah, I'm just replying to some messages. So I have a couple of unboxing to do today, so we'll do that, and we'll also do them for Instagram. So yeah, also coffee today. That's my mug today. I can't really show you. Hold on, I want to show you because I always show my mug on Instagram if you haven't followed me already. Shameless plug-in, I know. Okay, hold on, let me try and get this one. And yeah, wow, I struggled. But we are doing this. Okay, I cannot see myself. Alright. This is fun. Okay, yes, there we are. So let's just have coffee in one piece before I drop the stuff here. So welcome back. 11:20. I showered and presentable. What is wrong with the lighting? Is that okay? Okay. Alright, first unboxing is from Nas for You. It's a beautiful black abaya. It's a short sleeved abaya, which I know I don't wear an abaya, but it is super cool. I love it, Nasim. Thank you so much. This came in on Friday. I did not. So this is how it is. It is all embroidered over the shoulders here, and it's short sleeves. And I am going to wear it over my dresses or over my jeans. So Nasim, thank you so much. I love it. Oh, you guys, I wanted to show you how it looks on. I'm really feeling nice. Actually, it's super cool. It's my size lengthwise as well. I'm 5'3", so it's super cool, super awesome. Yeah. It's amazing. I love it under hijab as well. This is how it has the details behind as well. And yeah, I love it. I'm gonna rock this. So it's short sleeves, as I told you. So yeah, I'm gonna rock this soon, inshallah. Nasim, thanks again. Tell me what you guys think about me in an abaya. So yeah, comment down below. I wanna know. But yeah, here's how it looks like. So cute. It's super cool. It's gonna stay on my dresses, really. Thank you so much, Nasim. I'm gonna give her Instagram handle in the description box. that it's not flying around right now. Thank you so much once again. I have another one, and this one, it's so cool. I literally don't want to use them, like, because I don't want to spoil them. First of all, can we just look at this? The packaging, y'all. It's super cute. Hold on. Yeah, this is the front. Letstalk collections. The links will be in the description box. Okay. So, by the way, guys, this is my room. Today I'm not in my mom's room because she is cleaning, as I told you. Heck, what's happening? I was literally told to get out of here. So this is the first one. It is so good. I swear, this thing in the what is it? On the website, it looks so small, and I was like, it's going to be a small one, but it is so huge. Like, I think you can literally fit the iPad in it, or yeah, you can literally fit the iPad on it. I don't know why I'm turning my back on you guys. I'm so sorry. There it is. I swear I thought it would be just this size, but this is the size. Yeah, I literally thought it would be this size. Literally, because that's how it looks on the website. But this is the size. And wait for it. It is a sling bag. Okay, you can go up here, and it is wait for it, it's a backpack. Like, yo, my backpack is sorted. I am so excited for school next year. I'm going to do this. I'm going to rock it a lot before school. So, yeah, I don't want it to get dirty actually. Guess what? It's in pink. This is how it looks. Okay, again, I thought it would be like this size, small, but this is how it is. Tote. It's a huge tote. And I love it. Oh my god! I am gonna rock these bags. And inside, mashallah, they're so spacious. They're really huge inside as well. Wow. So that is it, you guys. Again, descriptions. Check the descriptions below for all their details. This box collection and nothing for you. Alhamdulillah. I was really worried I wouldn't be able to do the unboxings because I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna place you guys, but alhamdulillah, that's done. Alright then, let me hop on to Instagram and do that as well.